5 months ago, I competed in a challenge on Colin and Samir's Discord, which resulted in me winning $100 for an idea that I had. The video was awful. How many times have you recorded something, but you're just a second too late? And that's why I never fully posted it. But it was about this idea that I've had for a very long time called ABR Glass. That stands for Always Be Recording, and I stole the idea straight from Lego Batman.
Always be recording.
Essentially, the idea was, whenever I'm recording something, a lot of times I miss the moment because I can't get my phone out of my pocket fast enough and then start recording. So what if, instead, you just recorded all the time and then just captured the best moments after the fact? Kind of like clipping a moment in a Twitch live stream. That's the idea of these. They're always recording to a buffer, and then every 30 seconds or so, that just gets written over unless you press this little button right here. When you press that, it records the last 30 seconds with synced audio and video, and then displays it on an app, or more of a website, on your phone where you can then download the video and use it for something. So, what I'm going to do now is show you a little bit more about the device, do a live demo, and then tell you a little bit more about the plans for this channel. So I'm plugging it in now. This looks like a fire hazard, but it's been working well so far. You can see it has a Raspberry Pi 5 here on it, as well as a power converter board. Something that you might not know about the Raspberry Pi 5 is that it doesn't really adhere to the 5-volt standards put out by like the USB Foundation. So I'm using this Pichondria is the name of it, a converter board to allow me to use my power bank and actually have a functional device here. It's literally just hot glued to the power bank here, which is like an Anker 20,000 milliamp unit. And hopefully everything goes well. Video has been working, but for some reason in the past, the audio has been kind of funky. So I'm gonna pull up the website here on my phone, and then we'll see if we're ready to actually record here. So the app's going. You can't see it very well by doing a screen recording as well, and it's saying some stuff that's completely wrong, like the uptime is 68 hours. This is just old code, isn't fixed yet. But I am ready to press the record button, so I'm gonna press that now, and you should be able to see what I've been seeing for the past 30 seconds. So on the app, it's now showing that a video conversion is in progress, and then I'm waiting for that to actually go through. While I'm waiting for that, I'm going to show you one feature that I think is pretty cool about this, which is the belt loop. So I actually incorporated a little clip here on the back of the device, and the idea is that this would be able to be used similar to like an Apple Vision Pro battery bank, where you can just clip this onto the side of your pants, and then carry this around where all the processing and then battery capacity isn't just in your hands or anything. So ideally you'd have a slimmer package that's a little bit less obvious than this, something more similar to like a Meta Ray-Ban where it just looks like a normal pair of glasses. But for now, this is just for demo purposes. Now back on my phone, I'm gonna show you what the web interface looks like when you actually have a video finished. So I push the download button here. That's gonna let me view it or download it. I push view. And you can see exactly what's happening. This is what I was seeing whenever I was actually going through and recording this, which is just my girlfriend here helping me record, and then the camera that you guys are seeing me through. Audio isn't working on this very early version, but I'm trying to put out videos before everything's fixed because otherwise I just never post. So hopefully this is an interesting project. And then to give you a little bit of an update on the channel, I'm going to try to post every 15 or so days, which is basically whenever I get paid. And that's just a very easy reminder because they like email me and text me and all kinds of stuff whenever I get paid. So then I can be like, oh, I need to make a video. But yeah, hope you enjoyed, and leave a comment if you have any questions. I will be open sourcing this is the plan once I have some more bugs worked out. I just really need to fix the audio, which is still screwed up like I was talking about, and then also make the form factor a little bit less awful. Bye.